What's up, guys? It's Cass from Stonemill. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been like a month and a half, 2 months since I've given you guys a YouTube video, but today is the day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my Mirka sander. It is by far the best upgrade that I have made in my shop, other than my laser. I would never, ever be able to get the results that I do if I did not have this sander. Joe's making a bunch of noise outside. Anyways, but this is not what this video is about. I'm actually going to be talking about the backing pads and the backup pads. Okay, so this video might seem a little bit silly to some, but this is something that I was not aware of, and it cost me about 50 bucks to replace the backing pad. So this is the backing pad. Again, this runs about 50 bucks, so don't ruin it. What protects the backing pad are the backup pads. So this is a fresh backup pad. It's just a piece of fabric with Velcro, like the little hook and loops on it. So this attaches to the backing pad, and then your sandpaper will attach to the backup pads. After time and after lots of sanding, you're gonna get worn down. So this is a fresh backup pad, and this is one that's pretty worn down around the edges, and then your sandpaper starts to not stick anywhere and it starts flying all over the place. So again, these are super cheap. They come in around like packs of 5. I think you can get them single, but they come in packs of 5, and every once in a while when your sandpaper again starts flying everywhere, you just throw one of these on here instead of having to replace the whole backup pad. So again, it might be a little bit obvious, but I wanted to just make this into a video in case it can help one of you guys, whether you already have a sander, the Mirka sander, or you're looking at getting the Mirka sander. Now you know. And again, this video is not about the Mirka sander, but I highly suggest upgrading. You can also get these at National Abrasives. I'll put the link below. I'll let you guys know which sander I have exactly, what sandpaper I use, what I use it for, all that fun stuff. So if this was helpful, let me know. If not, whatever. I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. But yeah, if you guys aren't familiar with Stonemill and myself, well, I am Stonemill, just me. You guys can check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my website, all that fun stuff. I specialize in wooden decor and epoxy projects and stuff like that. So I have a couple other YouTube videos. You guys can check that out. Make sure you like and subscribe. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day and that this was helpful for you.